La ilaha illallah. La ilaha illallah.
In Tatuyan, a small coastal town in northern Indonesia, silence has been replaced by the sound of rushing water, splintering wood, and distant cries for help. Overnight, torrential rain transformed this quiet region
อัป
into
เด
a
ตสถาน
flood
การณ์ตอน
zone.
นี้นะ
Rivers
เจ้า
overflowed, hillsides gave way, and before anyone could react, the town was underwater. Streets turned into rivers, houses became islands, and families were left stranded. The rainfall began late in the evening. It started as a steady downpour, not unusual for this time of year, but it didn't stop. It grew heavier, hour after hour. By midnight, water had already begun to rise in northern areas. By 3 a.m., entire neighborhoods were flooded. Many were caught in their sleep. Some fled barefoot through the mud, clutching children. Others had no chance to escape. Search and rescue teams were activated before dawn. With little light and fast-moving water, they navigated flooded alleyways and rubber boats and rafts. Some locals tied ropes from one house to another, forming lifelines across dangerous currents. In scenes that mirrored a disaster movie, mothers passed babies through windows. Elderly residents were carried on the backs of volunteers. And young men stood waist-deep in water, guiding strangers to safety. So far, over 1,200 families have been displaced. At least 8 villages are completely submerged, and dozens of homes have been destroyed or washed away. The damage is overwhelming, but sadly, not unfamiliar. Indonesia, a country of over 17,000 islands, is no stranger to flooding, but residents say this was different. This was faster. This was worse. Experts point to a deadly mix: unrelenting rainfall, deforestation in the uplands, and poor drainage systems. With nowhere for the water to go, it surged straight into homes, markets, and schools. And now, life in Tatuyan has come to a standstill. Electricity is down in multiple districts. Clean water is running low. Communication lines have snapped, leaving families in isolated areas.
Kondisi terkini dari kampung Paseke, RT 04, RW 03, Desa Sukasari.
Some have nothing but the clothes they wore when